Want to make your Instagram chats crystal clear and ditch the confusion? Today, we're diving into how to reply to specific messages on Instagram, a super handy feature that keeps your conversations organized and ensures everyone stays on the same page. First, open your Instagram app and go to your direct messages. Find the chat where you want to reply to a particular message now. Locate the message you want to respond to quote it. Simply swipe right on that message. It's that easy. See that? The message you swiped on is now quoted at the top of your typing area, directly above where you'll type your reply. You can now type your response directly beneath the quoted message. This way, the other person instantly knows exactly which part of the conversation you're addressing. Once you've typed your reply, just hit the send button. And there you have it. Your reply is sent, clearly linked to the original message, maintaining the context of your chat. It's perfect for responding to specific questions, comments, or even just to avoid those "which message are you talking about" moments. Mastering this simple feature can significantly improve clarity and efficiency in all your Instagram conversations, making your interactions much smoother. So go ahead, give it a try and elevate your Instagram DM game. #Instagram tips #direct messages.